A little slippery. And I got a little sketchy section here. Little roll into another. And we got a little roll here. And some moss. Another little roll. And I got a little sketchy section here. Another roll into another roll. And we're slipping and sliding everywhere. It's all good. Weave through the trees. Nice drop. Some chunky stuff. Gotta squeeze through these rocks. That was sketchy. And this is where it drops off.
All right, everybody, go!
Oh, pedal strike. Just blasted through here. Nice and chill. A little sketchy there. A little slippery. Whoa! Going too fast to slow down there. That was sketch.
Hopping into
Whisk.
Whisk.
All right.
I don't remember the name.
All right. Whisk is a sketchy one here. A bunch of rolls and drops and weird.
Right or left?
Right.
Right, okay.
Weird techie features and stuff. Give them some room. Another little roll. Nice and chonky. Coming up on a. Where are you going? Yeah, I guess you can kind of roll that. Oh. He's moving at a pretty good pace for this trail. This trail is definitely a sketchy one. Nice huck to flat. Give him some space. Like a natural. He's got it. I'm not very good at this section. And we're good. Dropping. Oh, missed the line. Oh, it's all good. What are we doing? We're just bombing through. All those lines are out the window. It's all good. I don't really remember this trail too much. I know it is pretty chunky though. I think this is the line here. Go high. Yeah. Oh, not the line. Whoops. Just bombing through. Who knows where we're going? We'll get somewhere probably. Ooh, what is this? Got some water. It's interesting. Going up a hill. Crank up the hill. Can we make it? Yeah, we got it. Sweet. That was a skinny. I think we're doing it backwards though. I think this way. Old school ridge here. Yeah, we're going back up a hill. That's nice. Nice little leave in my tire here. That does drop down. Okay, cool. Finally got that leave out. Pop up that. That's cool. I don't really know what I'm doing. What is this thing? Kind of got it.
Yeah. Oh, you tapped a little bit now.
Eh, whatever. We'll drop. Got a bug in the eye. Oh, missing the trail. Chunky climb. Give myself a little minute. I need to shift gears. I think this might be where it goes down again. Yeah. Not the line here. Probably should have went the other way, but whatever. Too late to go back now. Oh, hands are slipping. That has never happened to me. I don't know what I'm doing. I think this is the end of the trail.